Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss 50 current affairs for 2021. So let's start the current affairs quiz. First, who has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner of India? Options A. Sushil Chandra, B. Anup Chandra Pandey, C. Rajiv Kumar, D. Sunil Arora. The correct answer is B. Anup Chandra Pandey. The Union government has appointed Anup Chandra Pandey, a retired IAS officer of the 1984 batch, as election commissioner. Second, Dinku Singh Nagangom has passed away recently. He is a renowned options A. Cricketer, B. Footballer, C. Golfer, D. Boxer. The correct answer is D. Boxer. International boxer and Arjuna awardee Dinku Singh Nagangom, hailing from Manipur, died after a protracted fight against cancer. Third, recently, which of the following nation is engaged in the construction of its first fully stealth warship? Options A. South Africa, B. Sri Lanka, C. Indonesia, D. Russia. Correct answer is D. Russia. Fourth, Ferrari has named Benedetto Vigna as its new company CEO. Ferrari is a luxury sports car manufacturer based in option A. France, B. Germany, C. Italy, D. UK. The correct answer is C. Italy. Ferrari is an Italian luxury sports car manufacturer based in Italy. Fifth, which of the following city has topped the Global Livability Index 2021 published by the Economist Intelligence Unit? Options A. Auckland, B. Osaka, C. Adelaide, D. Tokyo. Correct answer is A. Auckland. Auckland has been ranked the best on livability rankings due to the ability of New Zealand city to contain COVID-19 faster. 6. Recently, Professor Radha Mohanji passed away. He was a renowned options A. Activist, B. Playwright, C. Singer, D. Economist. The correct answer is D. Economist. 7th, what is the theme of World Day Against Child Labour 2021? A. Children shouldn't work in fields but on dreams. B. Act now. End child labour. C. End child labour in supply chain. It's everyone's business. D. Generation safe and healthy. The correct answer is B. Act now. End child labour. 8th, Siddhalinga has passed away recently. He was a renowned options A. Poet, B. Politician, C. Economist, D. Environmentalist. The correct answer is A. Poet. 9th, Athletics Federation announces Indian Grand Prix 4 on June 21 in options A. Dehradun, B. Patiala, C. Bhubaneswar or D. Mumbai. The correct answer is B. Patiala. 10th, who has been elected to the International Association of Ultra Runners Council as an Asian representative? A. Nagraj Adiga, B. Ashwin Saha, C. Rahamal Das, D. Kumar Rao. The correct answer is A. Nagraj Adiga. 11th, which of the following bank has launched a collateral-free Kavach personal loan to enable its customer to meet medical expenses of self and family members for COVID treatment. Options A. Bank of Baroda, B. Canara Bank, C. SBI, or D. Punjab National Bank. The correct answer is C. SBI, State Bank of India. 12th. Which day is observed as World Day Against Child Labour? Options A. 10th June, B. 13th June, C. 11th June, D. 12th June. The correct answer is D. 12th June. World Day Against Child Labour is observed globally on 12th June every year. 13. Which bank has topped Forbes World's Best Bank 2021 list in India? A. CSB Bank, B. ICICI Bank, C. HDFC Bank, D. DBS Bank. The correct answer is D. DBS Bank. DBS has been named by Forbes in their list of World's Best Bank 2021. DBS was ranked 1 out of 30 domestic and international banks in India for the second consecutive year. 14. Ukna Khurelsukh has become the president of which of the following country? A. Oman, B. Italy, C. Canada, D. Mongolia. The correct answer is D. Mongolia. 15. According to the RBI's new ATM cash withdrawal rule, what is the new charge on ATM withdrawal beyond free transaction limit with effect from 1st January 2022? A. Rupees 21, B. Rupees 23, C. Rupees 19, D. Rupees 20. Correct answer is A. Rupees 21. Bank customer will have to pay Rupees 21 for each ATM cash withdrawal beyond free transaction limit in effect from January 1, 2022. Currently it is Rupees 20. 16. Name the first village in India where the entire population above 18 years has been vaccinated. A. Malana, B. Nako, C. Diskit, D. Wayan. The correct answer is D. Wayan. Wayan, a village in district Bandipora, Jammu and Kashmir, has become the first village in the country where the entire population above 18 years has been vaccinated. 17. Name the Bollywood actor who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of biotechnology company MyLab Discovery Solutions. A. Vicky Kaushal, B. Akshay Kumar, C. Salman Khan, D. Ayushmann Khurrana. Correct answer is B. Akshay Kumar. Bollywood superstar Akshay Kumar has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of biotechnology company MyLab Discovery Solutions. 18. Which of the following will become the world's first mask-free country in the corona period? Option A. Switzerland, B. Iceland, C. Sweden, D. Israel. The correct answer is D. Israel. Israel will become the world's first mask-free country in the corona period. Here the rule of applying mask in closed places will end from June 15. It has already been ended. 19. Who among the following has won the French Open title 2021? A. Stefanos Tsitsipas, B. Novak Djokovic, C. Rafael Nadal, D. Roger Federer. Correct answer is B. Novak Djokovic. 20. World Blood Donor Day is observed globally on which day every year? A. June 15, B. June 16, C. June 14, D. June 13. The correct answer is C. 14th June. 21. Home in the world. Book is the memoir of A. Abhijit Banerjee, B. Esther Duflo, C. Amartya Sen, D. Raghuram Rajan. Correct answer is C. Amartya Sen. 22. Who among the following has won Pulitzer Prize 2021 in International Reporting category for reporting on China's detention camps for Muslims? A. Megha Rajagopalan, B. Alison Killing, C. Christo Buscek, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 23. India's forex reserves crossed $600 mark for the first time. India is now dash largest forex reserve holder. A first, B second, C third, or D fourth. The correct answer is fourth. 24. What was the rank of India in Coursera's Global Skills Report 2021? A 23, B 31, C 45, D 67. Correct answer is D 67. As per the Global Skills Report 2021 released by Coursera, India has been ranked 67th overall globally. 25th. Which of the following bank has recently announced the launch of Ghar Ghar Ration program on employee-funded program for its low-income customers whose livelihoods are affected by COVID-19? A. ICICI Bank, B. SBI Bank, C. IDFC First Bank, D. Axis Bank. Correct answer is C. IDFC First Bank. IDFC First Bank has announced the launch of Ghar Ghar Ration program, an employee-funded program for its low-income customers whose livelihood are affected by COVID-19. 26. IIT Roorkee Professor Shailak Ganpule has received the NSG Counter IED and Counter-Terrorism Innovator Award 2021 for his design of A. A blast-resistant helmet, a blast-resistant jacket, a blast-resistant camera, D. A blast-resistant van. The correct answer is A. A blast-resistant helmet. 27. The International Albinism Awareness Day is marked every year on A. 10th June, B. 12th June, C. 11th June, D. 13th June. Correct answer is D. 13th June. 28. The mission Envision to study the planet Venus has been launched by which space agency? Options A. NASA, B. European Space Agency, C. ISRO, D. Roscosmos. D. Roscosmos. Correct answer is B. European Space Agency. ESA is now developing its own probe to study Venus. 29. The mobile app Namaste Yoga, devoted to yoga, has been launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Ayush, B. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport, C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, D. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Correct answer is A. Ministry of Ayush. 30. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of the UNCTAD? Correct answer is D. Rebecca Greenspan. The UN General Assembly has approved the appointment of Costa Rican economist Rebecca Greenspan as the Secretary General of the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. 31. The 47th G7 Leaders Summit 2021 took place in the hybrid format at Cornwall. Options: A. France, B. USA, C. UK, D. Germany. Correct answer is C. United Kingdom. 32. Former SC Judge dash appointed chairperson of grievance redressal body for OTT platforms by Internet and Mobile Association of India. A. Arjun Kumar Sikri, B. Abhay Manohar Sapre, C. Deepak Gupta, D. R. Banumathi. The correct answer is A. Arjun Kumar Sikri. Former SC Judge Arjun Kumar Sikri appointed chairperson of grievance redressal body for OTT platform. 33. What is the theme of 47th G7 Summit 2021? Correct answer is D. Building back better. The theme for the 47th G7 Summit 2021 is Building Back Better. 34th. Name the first German architect to be awarded the Pritzker Prize has passed away recently. Correct answer is D. Gottfried Baum. Gottfried Baum, the first German architect to be awarded the Pritzker Prize, has passed away at 101. 35. Who has been re-elected as Cellular Operators Association of India Chairman for 2021 to 22? Answer is A. Ajay Puri. 36. What is the rank of India in Global House Price Index released by Knight Frank? A. 43rd, B. 55th, C. 61st, D. 72. Correct answer is B. 55th. 37. Which of the following state will present its own version of Bharat Ratna and Padma Award from next year? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Assam. Correct answer is D. Assam. The Assam government will present its own version of Bharat Ratna and the Padma Award from the next year. 38. Former India batsman Dash has released his autobiography, Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me. A. Ashish Nehra, B. Virendra Sehwag, C. MS Dhoni, D. Suresh Raina. Correct answer is D. Suresh Raina. Former Indian batsman Suresh Raina has released his autobiography, Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me. 39. India's retail inflation shot up to a 6-month high of which percent in May? Correct answer is B. 6.3%. India's retail inflation shot up to a 6-month high of 6.3% in May after easing to a 3-month low of 4.23% in April. 40. Name the winner of women's single title at French Open 2021. Answer is D. Barbora Krejcikova. 41. World Elder Abuse Awareness Day is observed globally on which day every year? A. 13 June, B. 14 June, C. 15 June, D. 16 June. Correct answer is C. 15 June. 42. What was the profession of Sanchari Vijay, who has passed away recently? Correct answer is B. Actor. Veteran Kannada film actor Sanchari Vijay, who won the National Award in 2015, has passed away. 43. Vinu Mankad has been inducted into ICC Hall of Fame ahead of WTC final. He was an A. spinner, B. wicketkeeper, C. batsman, D. all-rounder. C. batsman. Indian batsman Vinod Mankad and 9 others inducted into ICC Hall of Fame ahead of WTC final. आगे कंटिन्यू करने से पहले फ्रेंड्स आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू रिसीव important videos. 44. Nirmal Milkha Singh has passed away recently. She was the former captain of India national team in which sports event? A. Basketball, B. Golf, C. Hockey, D. Volleyball. Correct answer is D. Volleyball. The former Indian women volleyball team captain Nirmal Kaur, who is the wife of sprint legend Milkha Singh, flying sick, has passed away due to COVID-19 complications. 45. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Israel to replace Benjamin Netanyahu? Correct answer is B. Naftali Bennett. 46. Dash has launched a new initiative, Report It, Don't Share It, that encourages people to report child abuse content on its platform and not to share it. Correct answer is C. Facebook. Social media giant Facebook has launched a new initiative, Report It, Don't Share It, that encourages people to report child abuse content on its platform and not to share it. 47. NATO leaders declares that Daesh possesses a constant security challenge and is working to undermine global order. Correct answer is A. China. NATO leader declared that China poses a constant security challenge and is working to undermine global order. 48. The wholesale price-based inflation accelerated to a record high of %% in May. Answer is D. 12.94%. 49. Global Wind Day is observed every year on. Correct answer is D. 15th June. 50. Which of the following bank has expanded its strategic collaboration with Oracle and Infosys to offer an enhanced customer experience through Oracle CX platform? A. ICICI Bank, B. HDFC Bank, C. Yes Bank, D. Federal Bank. Correct answer is D. Federal Bank. Federal Bank has expanded its strategic collaboration with Oracle and Infosys to offer an enhanced customer experience through Oracle CX platform. I hope you found this video useful. Please like the video and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much.